Hi everyone, welcome to this Laravel tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through how to install Laravel, explain the MVC architecture, and demonstrate how to create a custom route, controller, and blade template. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic understanding of how to set up and work with Laravel. First, we need to install Laravel. To do that, we'll use Composer, which is a dependency manager for PHP. Let's check if the Composer is installed by going to the command prompt and typing version no. Composer version. As you can see, I already installed the Composer, but if you didn't install it yet, you can go to the Composer website, click there, and click this. Okay. If Composer installed, you should see the version number. Now we can see the version number, version 2.78, and the PHP version. Next, we'll install Laravel using the following command. Composer create dash project. First let's redirect the directory. Okay, now it's in the desktop. Now next is we're gonna create now. Composer create project dash project prepare distribute Laravel slash Laravel and the project name. Let's just do the project name. Project underscore name. Press enter. Now it will install the Laravel. You can see it here. Now you can see we successfully installed it. Also, you could use the code given in the website here. Just copy this and replace this. Now, once installation is complete, navigate into your project directory using cd and then the project name. Project underscore name. Now, we are in our we are in here. Now, let's I clicked the now let's proceed to the development server by typing artisan serve. Oh no, why? PHP artisan serve. I forgot the PHP. Now let's click it and you'll be directly to the Laravel. Now you have successfully installed the Laravel. Now, before we dive into coding, let's talk about MVC. Here, the MVC. In MVC, the model represents the data and business logic of the application. The viewer is responsible for presentational layer. It is what the user will see. Finally, the controller handles the user input and interacts with the both model and the view. Okay. Here how it works. When a user interacts with the application, the controller receives the input, processes it, often by interacting with the model, and then updates the view accordingly. This separation of concerns make the application easier to manage and to expand. Now that you understand MVC, let's see it in action by creating a custom route, controller, and a template. Now let's just drag these visuals over here so it will open the folder. Okay, so now we open the folder. Okay, now first let's go to the routes. Routes here. Now, for example, this is the route. When we go to the wait, let's open the terminal first. PHP RT serve. Now, when we open this is where it route to. It will go in the welcome. So first, where is the welcome? Now it is in where it is. In wait. Resources and views here. Here you can see the welcome. So when we go to the link, we'll go to this. It will route it to the views, the welcome. Now let's create a new route. Route and double, and then get open close parenthesis example, and then comma. Gonna put a controller here. No bracket. Let's do the example controller. We will do this later. Controller double class, and it will go to index. So is it correct? Is this correct? Let's see later on. Now, this route tells Laravel to call the index method of the example controller when someone visits the /example site. Now, okay, so now we have created a route. Now we're gonna create a controller by typing in the terminal php artisan make controller. No, we forgot the controller, and then the name of our controller, which is example controller. Controller. Now, as you can see, in the HTTP, we have created the example controller. Now, inside this example controller, we're gonna write a code. Okay. We're gonna write the write a public function. What's this here? Public function index. Yeah, okay. Index return view. Now it will go to the view folder, view and example. Okay. Now let's go navigate to resources, views. Now let's create a view. So let's just create a new view. PHP artisan make view example. Okay, now so you can see we have created the example. So first, let's just have HTML here, and let's create heading 1. Hello, this is an example. Okay, now let us just PHP artisan optimize. Is it optimized? Okay, now let's see if we go to /example. Is it /example? Yeah, /example. Oh no, it's error. Something is wrong. So the problem is that we didn't put the example controller. So let's try if it worked this time. What? It's still not. I know I forgot to PHP artisan optimize. Okay. Now let's try it again. See, now we successfully created the connection between the view and the controller. Now we successfully created a custom route, controller, and a blade file. To recap, we installed Laravel, discussed the MVC architecture, and created a custom route, controller, and blade template. I hope this tutorial was helpful even though I have made some wrongs. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future tutorials, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.